Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter 20 volume and surface area of solids. Before that we have started our first exercise, that was 20A, and in that exercise we study about cube and cuboid, volume of cuboid, volume of cube, total surface area, lateral surface area and curved surface area of cube and cuboid. Now in this session we are going to study about cylinder. So in this cylinder, here we will study about volume of cylinder, curved and lateral surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder. So formula for volume of cylinder, it is given by pi r square h. Curved surface area of cylinder or lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. These are the formula. Now total surface area of cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder is given by formula 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Here r is radius of cylinder, h is height of cylinder and value of pi is taken as 22 upon 7, or we can also take it as 3.14. So on the basis of these formula we are going to start exercise 20b. So in this exercise we will study about cylinder. So proceeding our exercise 20b. So in exercise 20b, see question number 1. In question number 1 we have to find volume, curved surface area and total surface area of each of the cylinder whose dimensions are given. So in this we have given dimensions. So in this first part, in cylinder radius is equals to 7 centimeter and height is equals to 50 centimeter. And in this we have to find volume of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder. So in first we have to find volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. Now value of pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is given 7. So r square means we can write 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter and h is 50 centimeter. So into 50 centimeter. By solving it, 7 will cancel by this 7. Now 22 into 7 into 50 and centimeter into centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter cube. So 22 into 7 into 50, it will be 7700 centimeter cube. So volume of this cylinder is 7700 centimeter cube. Now curved surface area of cylinder. So formula for finding curved surface area is given by 2 pi r h. Now here 2 into 22 upon 7, value of r is 7 and h is 50. Now solving it, 7 will cancel by 7. So 2 into 22 will be 44 and into 50. So it will be 2200 centimeter square. So it is area. So area is given by centimeter square. Its unit will be centimeter square. So 2200 centimeter square. Now after this, curved surface area of cylinder. Now total surface area of cylinder. So total surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi r plus h. Now here value of r is 7. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 in bracket r plus h, that is 7 plus 50. Now 7 will cancel by this 7. 2 into 22 will be 44 and 44 into 57 and centimeter square. So 44 into 57 will be 2508 centimeter square. So 2508 centimeter square is its total surface area. So in this way we can do this question, and remaining part of this question you can try yourself. They are also same. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 2. So in question number 2, a milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and height is 10.5 meter. Now find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So here we have given a tank and its radius is given, height is given. We have to find its capacity or its quantity, means we have to find its volume. So in this question, radius is 1.5 meter, height is given 10.5 meter and it is in the shape of cylinder. Now volume of tank is given by formula pi r square h, because it is in the shape of cylinder. Now by putting its value, pi equals to 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius is 1.5. So 1.5 meter into 1.5. Here r is a square. Now h, value of height, height is equals to 10.5 meter. So we can cancel this 10.5 by 7, it will be 1.5. Now 22 into 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter. Now it will be 22 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5 meter cube. Now by multiplying, it will be 74.25 meter cube, and we have to convert it into liters. So for converting into liter, we will multiply it by 1000. So 74.25 multiplied by 1000, it will be 74,250 liters. So total volume or total quantity will be equals to 74,250 liters of milk. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So question number 3 and 4 are same, you can try yourself. Now after this, see question number 5. In question number 5 we have the volume of circular iron rod of length 1 meter is 3850 centimeter cube. Find its diameter. We have given a cylindrical rod. So in this rod, volume is given, volume is equal to 3850 centimeter cube, and its length or height is given 1 meter. So here we can say height equals to length is 1 meter, length and height are same, so we can convert it into centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So height will be taken as 100 centimeter. Now volume is pi r square h. So pi r square h is equals to 3850 centimeter cube. Now pi is 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 into r square into, on place of h we can write 100. It is 100 centimeter equals to 3850 centimeter cube. Now r square will be equal to 3850 centimeter cube into 7 upon 22 into 100. By cross multiplying we can do this. Now solving it, r square will be equal to, by cancelling it will be equal to 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2 centimeter square. Now r will be equal to under root 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2 centimeter square. Now when we do its under root or square root, it will be equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. This is radius, and we have to find its diameter. So diameter equals to radius into 2, that is 7 upon 2 into 2. 2 will be cancelled, so it will be 7. So we can say diameter will be equal to 7 centimeter. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 7. In question number 7, the circumference of the base of cylinder is 88 centimeter and its height is 60 centimeter. Find volume of cylinder and curved surface area of cylinder. So here we have given a cylinder whose circumference of base means we have given this circumference of base, and circumference of base is circumference of circle because its base is circular. So circumference of base of cylinder is given 88 centimeter and its height is given 60 centimeter. We have to find its volume and curved surface area. So circumference of base of cylinder is given by 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equals to 88 centimeter. Now 2 into, on place of pi we can write 22 upon 7 and r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r equal to 88 centimeter. By solving this we can find value of r. So by cross multiplying, r will be equals to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So by solving, r or radius will be equals to 14 centimeter. Now height is given 60 centimeter. Now volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. So on place of pi 22 upon 7, radius 14. So r square means 14 into 14 into height. Height is given 60 centimeter. So volume will be in the centimeter cube. Now 22 into 2, 44 into 14 into 60. By multiplying, it will be equals to 36,960 centimeter cube. So this is volume of this given cylinder. Now after this we have to find curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi rh. Now 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 60 centimeter square. So by solving, this 14 will cancel by this 7 2 times. So 2 into 22 will be 44 into 2 into 60. It will be equals to 5280 centimeter square. So this is curved surface area of cylinder. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 10. In question number 10 we have the radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 7:2. If the volume of cylinder is 8316 centimeter cube, then find total surface area of cylinder. So here we have given ratio of radius and height, volume of cylinder, and we have to find its total surface area. So in this question we have given a cylinder, ratio of radius and height is 7:2. Now we can take that radius equals to 7x and height will be 2x. Now volume of cylinder is equals to 8316 centimeter cube, that is pi r square h equals to 8316 centimeter cube. Now 22 upon 7 into 7x, here radius we have taken 7x, so 7x into 7x into, and height is 2x, so 2x. Now equals to 8316 centimeter cube. Now in this 7 will be cancelled by this 7, so it will be 22 into 7 into 2, and into x into x into x will become x cube, that is equals to 8316. Now for finding value of this x, it will be x cube equals to 8316 upon 22 into 7 into 2. Now x cube will be equals to 27x cube. So here we will find its cube root. So cube root of 27, it will be 3 into 3 into 3. So we will make one pair of this 3. So it will be 3 centimeter. That means value of x equals to 3 centimeter. Now we can find radius and height. So radius is equals to 7x. So radius equals to 7 into 3, as value of x is 3. So 7 into 3 will be 21 centimeter, and height will be equals to 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. Now we have radius 21 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. So we can find total surface area of cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21 in bracket 21 plus 6. So 2 into 22, this 7 will cancel by this 21 3 times. Now 2 into 22 into 3 into 27 centimeter square. So its total surface area we can do multiply. It will be 3564 centimeter square. So in this way you can do this question. Now today you have to do this question. So and remaining question of this exercise we will do on next session. So today you have to do these 10 questions, and on next session we will do remaining question of this exercise. So all of you, thank you for watching this video, and all of you have a nice day.